So good day everyone. I'm here to recite the duration of penalties. So let's start. First is death. Death is suspended by Republic Act 9346. Reclusion perpetua is 20 years and 1 day to 40 years. Reclusion temporal is 12 years and 1 day to 20 years. Presión mayor is or temporary disqualification is 6 years and 1 day to 12 years. So in correctional penalties, we have presión correccional, destierro, and arresto mayor. Presión correccional and destierro have the same duration of penalties, which is 6 months and 1 day to 6 years. Arresto mayor is 30 days and 1 day to 6 months. And light penalties is we have arresto menor, which is 1 day to 30 days. And public censure is it depends to the court. The duration of penalties of public censure is depend on the court.